Hey guys, this is Gadget Guru and welcome back for another video on my channel. Now, have you ever come across the error that moisture has been detected in your charging port and you need to unplug the charger? If you're watching this video, then I'm sure you have. Today I'm going to show you the fix for that error. It's very easy. You can fix it in a few minutes. So let's go ahead. So you can see, soon as I plugged in the charger to my phone, I kept getting that error with the beeping sound that moisture has been detected on your phone. First thing you want to make sure is that this is a genuine error. If you've not been around moisture, then this might be a false alarm. So what you want to do is open up your phone, unlock it, and navigate to the settings. Within settings, navigate to apps. Click on options and select show system apps. Scroll all the way down and navigate to USB settings. Click on storage, clear the cache, go back and restart your phone. After you've restarted your phone, try plugging in the charger once again. If you still see the same error message on your phone, that means there's a genuine case of moisture being introduced either in the charging port of the phone or at the micro USB end of the charging cable. Now, one device that I commonly use to clean my electronic devices is the enema bulb. This can be purchased in any medical store, but you can use it to clean your electronic devices. You can use it to clean the keys of the keyboard, remove any dust particles from within that, and you can also use it to clean the aux port as well as the charging port. What you want to do is keep pushing on the bulb so that it blows air into the USB port. As the air blows into the port, it's going to expel out any water that it finds. Use the suction action of the enema bulb to suck out any additional moisture. Let's see if that worked. So you can see that the phone is now successfully charging without showing any error messages. If this doesn't work for you, you can also use the grain of rice trick. It's an old trick to remove moisture. Rice is known to absorb moisture, so just take some rice in a bowl and leave your phone in the bowl of rice for 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Usually that will absorb some of the moisture as well. You can also try replacing the USB cable, assuming that the moisture is actually in the micro USB end of the cable and not in the phone itself. Some of you may be tempted to just use your mouth to blow air instead of using an enema bulb, but note that it can actually make the problem worse because droplets of saliva might enter the charging port. Also, if you think of using a hairdryer for drying out the moisture, make sure that you are not using it in the hot air mode because heating up the phone can cause a whole lot of other problems in your phone. I hope you found this video helpful and this helped resolve the problem. If you're still facing issues with charging your phone, do leave a description of your problem in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Do share your feedback in the comments below. Do subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.